Hi everybody. Today we're going to be looking at these options. I'm going to be looking at this Boeing. They're all expiring here this week. Stock is really up today a little bit. So I'm going to take this put option. I'm going to roll it. So I've been looking at the value of this, and Boeing is a great company. Pretty much a duopoly in the plane space. Airlines are recovering, and over the long term, over the next probably 10 years, look at that premium. Can't beat that. $10 for 3 weeks or so. Let's see if this takes. I'm going to shave a couple cents off, but that's awesome. If I can get that filled. Unbelievable. Alright, so I just made $1,000 on Boeing, pretty much, for rolling that option that was in the money. Can't beat that. Now these calls that I have, let's see if I can roll these calls. Have any luck with that? Wow, that's pretty good. $2, $2.63. Take that. See what else we got. Got another week. $3.73. Alright. $4.73, so $5. So what if we move the strike up a little? Nah, that's not good. If I go out, give me a different strike. Okay, I'm not making as much there, so I'm not sure I'm going to be rolling that. Cost benefit's just not there. How about this one? This one's a little closer to the money, so should probably get better premium for it. 255, 9, 410. That's pretty good. Go on the monthly. I like the monthly. That's pretty good. Can we put this up? No. It's $500. Could just keep rolling. See if it'll take. I'll take it. Alright. There it is. So it looks like I'm going to be stuck. We'll check it again tomorrow. It's only Wednesday, right? Let's look at beyond. Still got a call in there. Still potentially could make a move. See if I can roll it. How much premium we can get. $2.43 for the week. Pretty good. Another week. Add another week. Alright. Yeah, $5. Yeah, now we're talking. $6.80. Oh yeah. Okay, let's move that up $1. $6.80, $6.20. Let's keep going. Okay, so I'm only giving up 30 cents of premium for $100, and we're still in the money. So I liked it. I like it. See how far we can push this. It's pretty good. Okay, now there's a big drop. Alright, let's go back to 36. So right there, I will take that. Didn't fill. So let's try shaving a few cents off. Wrong way. No. Still not going. Okay, I'm willing to go down to 25. So 500, that's still ideal. Still no. Interesting. See the mid price. As long as it's 500, above 500, I'm okay. Let's try 511. Alright, it's finally. Alright, 511. You see, I still got the Halliburton in there. Put a trailing stop in. I got rid of some Halliburton already. Just to make sure I capture some of that premium that I've got.